Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Viber account permanently, or let's say to deactivate your Viber account, as it is similar. Deactivation of your account is actually deleting your account on Viber. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Viber application. First, you need to tap on the three horizontal line on bottom of right corner, that is More option. Now, tap in Settings. On the Settings, you tap in Account. At the very last, you can see the options of Deactivate Account. Tap on it. To deactivate your account, you need to provide a country code with phone number, so go for it. You tap in Deactivate Account on very last. Deactivating your account will permanently delete your data. That is, all your data will be deleted from your Viber account. Tap in Deactivate. As you can see, you are directed to the very first page of Viber. That is, you have deleted your Viber account. Now, if you want to rejoin or start using Viber again, you need to create a new account of yours. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can delete your Viber account permanently. Thank you.